Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm there back in the music lab. What's going on, people? That mafia, how y'all doing? I hope y'all staying prayed up, man. I hope y'all staying, you're drinking your water, staying healthy. How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all taking care of each other. You see me? But I don't see what we are dealing with to the people. Yeah, but before we jump right now, that if you're new to the channel, take this time, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you get the so I get videos as soon as we upload them. But look, yeah man, from the video you see what we're dealing with today. This one was actually requested by damn, I forgot, give my dog a shout out. His name, I had it right here, I'm tripping. Yeah man, yeah, this one was Slizzy Kevon. Yeah, Slizzy Kevion. Yeah, I'm put his name up right here. This one was requested by Slizzy Kevion. Yeah, this is Rajhani times Bayka 9. Yeah, so we're gonna check you out and see what's going on today. You see me? So shout out to you, dog, for requesting this one. Yeah man, this one, yo, we're familiar with Bayka. You see me? I think the last song we did from Bayka was Celebration, but I'm not familiar with Rajhani. You see me? So we're gonna check this one out. You see me? But guys, drop in the comments, where Rajhani from? You see me? Trinidad, St. Kitts. I know I found out recently that Byron Messi is actually from St. Kitts. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's up. But yeah, let me know where Rajhani from. But Bayka, I don't know Bayka from Jamaica. Bayka, and I know dancehall artist, them actually got a little, buzz behind him. So we're gonna see what go on. You see me? But you don't know. We're not even gonna hold up the vibe no sound. This is Rajhani times Bayka 9. Let's get it. Okay, alright, let's get it.
With no response, go for that. From them this much just load the 6 pants. Marrow fly, keep them trending like Bayka hit song. And everybody I got dead from here put up resistance. I ain't really suicidal if you try for this man. Let you run him down and gun him down, him now got me swan. Bust me under the any and boss give me the ray, me say no me head plug out. With a PM pan a shot so now my boys can't run out.
Okay, the one I got a vibe to, the one I got a buzz to it, alright?
9 points of a trouble in a blood clotted. Him and him neighbor blood clotted. Be a guard ring on the phone now wanted. How we out in the streets to kill a fully torment. Come even to the court strapping on my garment. When me reach on your foot you living on the past tense. What if I blow my dark, you me really not have sense. Watch you, go for them. PMG no cola, cut him neck out time polo. Murder pussy hole, send him.
Easy. But him neck out and pull. But yeah man, I can kind of see why Bayka and him collab. Yeah, they kind of they look the gritty sound, the dog, it's a rough sound. Alright.
And them the photo, from my granny scooter, I make them move boom boom full of. Can't catch my on the case, no witness, now go live for sure judge. The rule got him speaking Spanish, murder them. Watch the Uzi, them a vomit. Can't catch him break. Close the pussy panic. Left him changing them pocket, my mother rob him. Use a 13 Pro, take a picture.
I said left it change. He left it change in their pocket. He said, yo, the 16 of vomit upon him. Left it change in their pocket because we know the robbing. So that's came straight to kill this thing. Alright.
Boss him belly, take a leaf at them, we sell it for your figure. Ball of them massing a rolling rifle in not the handgun of a big in a hot to get like we deliver. Killing people, I'm a choice, a bird of mine, where I do. Have a mother pan and he's a knife, a torch and all look. Come on, sense on the cut.
Yo. Yes, the man say, yo, love killing to mine, where I do. When you say have hope on your wife and your mother, what do you say?
I would deliver. Killing people, I'm a choice, a bird of mine, where I do. Have a mother pan and he's a knife, a torch and all look. Come on, sense on the cut, say, and a safe and all look. And if the face say, yes, kill me, show you with the ball look.
Don't say, yo, have your mother pan and he's a what? Hey, yo, my yo, number that, hey. I'm not gonna play with my mother and a dog, but yo, that's some serious shit though. It's crazy, you come for your mother dog. The man come for my mother and cause yo, hell I'm pour the house, you never hear them saying? Yeah man. Like hell compared and better what? Hey.
9 points of a trouble in a blood clotted. Him and him neighbor blood clotted. Be a gathering on the phone now wanted. How we out in the streets, the killer fully torment. Come even to the court, strapping on my garment. When me reach on your foot, you living on the past tense. What the fuck about my dog, can really not have sense. Watch you, go for them.
Okay. It's a vibe. You know, the energy there. The energy there. You know, see me, I can see the vibes. You can see why, you know.
Yeah. Guy, but for this, them can't go try me flip them like a crypto kind of lift. Now it's my lift, my 9. Bully that between a eye. Anywhere, my step a crime. Who them fool, who them try for this? Fuck how them life, murder them. Read a woman, kick a cooking oil. Pussy who you try for style. Running on your yard, move it. Whole family a die. Extortion money, just load up the 9 Binds of a trouble in a blood clotted. Him and him neighbor blood clotted. Be a girl.
You see me, binds of trouble in a boy blood clotted. Him and him neighbor clotted. What you mean?
Ring on the phone now wanted. How we out in the streets, the killer fully torment. Come even to the court, strapping on my garment. When me reach on your foot, you living on the past tense. What the fuck about my dog, can really not have sense. Watch you, go for them.
Okay, yeah man, alright, it's a vibe. The one is a vibe. Yeah man, definitely, you know, definitely one track you can play, but you know, I was kinda expecting a little bit more, but not like, you know what I'm saying? It's good though, it's a good track, but you know, it wasn't anything that get you. It wasn't anything that get you like real hype. But yeah man, I like that one though. You know, Rajhani, maybe I need to hear more from Rajhani, but yeah man, very familiar with Bayka sound. As in, maybe it's the beat. I'm used to Bayka. I'm then on more, you know, more dark, more hard, core, more bass heavy beat. But yeah, that one was cool. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, maybe I need to hear more from Rajhani or something. So yeah, man, I'll definitely check out more to see if just you know what else tracks you have out there. But yeah, man, shout out to the one Sleazy Kevion for that one. Yeah, man, it was good track. You know, any other suggestion? Definitely drop in the comment section so I can definitely check out some of the other songs. But yeah, man, that was definitely decent. You know, shout out to what is his name? Rajhani and Bayka. You know, that's 9. Yeah, man, it's cool track. Very, it's a cool track. I like it. But it wasn't, I was expecting but nah, like. But anyway, yeah man, if y'all like it guys, drop your comments in the comment section. Definitely let me know. Let me know what y'all think was the beat, the lyrics, the vibes. Maybe my vibes is off. I don't know about the one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and definitely if you like it, go show the artists all of our support, making us a Jambisco and senior. You don't know, making sure we're strong over here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah man, cool track. Rajhani, Bayka, 9. Yeah man, check it out guys. If you like it, definitely listen to the song. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know if you react to next. Drop your comments. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna get a shout out if I choose your song. I don't know what time it is. Just a word Jambisco here that hit and smash on a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. I love you guys. I'm out.